Okay, so today we are still solving equations with variables on both sides, except today we are doing it with word problems. It says Cameron pays 95 cents per song with his current music service. A new music download service charges 89 cents per song with a $12 joining fee. Should Cameron switch to the new service? Write an equation to represent when the cost for any number of songs S is the same for both services. So the first thing I want to do is I want to write an equation to represent when the cost for any number of songs S is the same for both services. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the new music service to be equal to the the current music service. I should not write on the phone. Okay, so for the new plan, it costs $12 to join. How many times am I going to be paying this $12? Just the first time. What about this 89 cents per song? I keep paying that every song, right? When iTunes first came out, they were all 99 cents a song. Okay, currently I'm paying 95 cents per song, and I don't have to pay any I don't have to pay anything to join the plan. So what I want to do is I want to solve the equation to find the number of songs at which the cost for each option will be the same. Okay, so now I just need to solve this. I'm going to rewrite it down here. What's the first thing I want to do? Huh? Leave your stuff, just bring it. Add it or subtract it? Okay, what is 0.95 minus 0.89? Nope. Use the calculator. No. Yeah. So 0.06. Then what do I want to... That one. Yeah. Then how do I get my variable all alone? Divide by 0.06. So that gets me how many songs? 200. So now I just need to interpret this. The cost of the two options will be the same for how many songs? 200. If Cameron plans to purchase more than 200 songs, he should switch to the new service because it will cost less. Okay, so on the back it says Arabica coffee costs $28 per pound, guys, and Robusta coffee costs $8.75 per pound. How many pounds of the first coffee must you mix with 3 pounds of Robusta coffee to make a blend that will cost $15.50 per pound? So what we're going to do is we are going to organize our information in a table. How much does the first coffee cost per pound?
28.
The second coffee? $8.75. How much do I want to spend on coffee? Okay. How many pounds am I going to buy of the first coffee? Does it tell me? No. So I am going to leave that as my variable. How much of the Robusta do I want to buy? 3. So I'm going to buy a total of X plus 3 pounds. What I want to do is I am going to multiply my 2 columns to get my total cost. So I'm going to multiply across. 28 times X is 28X. Okay, what is 875 times 3? Get a calculator and figure it out. Okay, and then the bottom one, I'm going to do the 1550, and then in parentheses, X plus 3. So questions on where I got any of the numbers inside this chart? Okay, now I want to write an equation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the first 2 numbers together and set it equal to the blend. Because I know I'm adding the 2 coffees together. Okay, what is the first thing I want to do? Distribute from the parentheses. So my left side is going to stay the same. What is 1550 times X? 1550 times 3? 40. Okay, then I want to go ahead and do what? Okay, so I'm going to move, which variable do you want me to move? 28x or 1550x? Okay, so I'm going to subtract 1550x from both sides. What do I get on the left? Okay, then what do I want to do? Okay, What does that get me? Okay, and then my final step is to what do I get when I divide? Okay, so I must mix 1.62 pounds of Arabica coffee with the 3 pounds of the Robusta coffee to make a blend that costs $15.50 per pound.